I'm Sumatia. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to discuss more on Google My Business. And this is going to be a benefit for the people who are having a small size business and willing to take through Google and promote without investing any money. Then this video is for you. What is the purpose of Google My Business? As mentioned, Google My Business is a tool that enables you to manage and optimize your business profile on Google. Your business profile is a Google term for your Google business listing, and the business profile appears in Google Maps in the local results of Google search. What is the difference between Google and Google My Business? In the other words, Google Plus is just an aspect of Google My Business, which contains numbers of our other features. With Google Plus is its own thing. Google My Business allows you to link your accounts together. Further, the points that business acts as in a dashboard for your business online. So without wasting much time, let us get into Google My Business. And see, I already logged in with the account that already I have a Google My Business account. So I'm into this account. So I just logged in a right Gmail account. For to have this account, you should have a Gmail account, of course. And then I typed here Google My Business and given a search. Then I already have a multiple business in this account. So I just go ahead and view it. These are the business I already have on Google My Business. To show you an demo, so I'm going to add a business here. So I'm going to add single business. I have to enter the business name here. So I have entered here Blessing Best Digital Marketing and Affiliate Marketing Courses Nearby. So I'm going to add to Google My Business, and I've given the name over here, Blessing Best Digital Marketing, Social Media Marketing and Affiliate Marketing Nearby, because whenever the people who are searching on online, they used to give a key search according to nearby. So I wanted to give it here. I just wanted to put coaching class, coaching centers. Yes, I selected here. Next, here I have to say, do you want to add location customers can visit like a shop or office? Yes, I have to say. And I'm from India, so I already have an address here. So I just go ahead and select my address. Hello. And I have given the complete informations regarding the Blessing Best Digital Marketing and the full address in terms of what is the location that we are located, that I put, and I've gone next. And tasking must 80 certain things to be removed here. Yeah, I just removed certain things here, so I just say next here. Okay, and the location has been mapped here. And next is to say, do you provide service for home and office visit? Yes sir, I say. And we have to add the locations here. I put Bangalore, Karnataka, India. That's my location. I'll say no. Next. Here customer phone number I put, and I'll put the URL ID of my YouTube. I just put my URL ID of my YouTube, and I said next. It's asking for the verify. Okay, you have been verified. See, immediately I got a verify is done. Next, here I just say yes, open. I have to add the timing. Take your time and relaxly work it on this. Select 9 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Yeah, I have added the timing carefully, and I say next. Here it says some error. I just adjust that and I say yes. Okay, next is accept message. Yes, I say yes sir. here you have to have some description. Here I already have some description over I collected and kept, so I just add that. Yeah, I have added little content here. Blessing Best Digital Marketing is the #1 institute in Bangalore and affiliated with NSDC, that I'll add it. That is NSDC, National Skill India Development Corporation of India, and we teach digital marketing, affiliate marketing, social media marketing. Learn with professionals, 100% job assurance. And what are the things that we are teaching, that also I've given the brief informations. Learn digital marketing, web design, SEO, Facebook marketing, on page, off page SEO, AdWords, keyword research, Google marketing, Google search console, Google Analytics, and learn LinkedIn marketing, and Pinterest marketing, Instagram marketing, Twitter marketing, Quora marketing. So almost all the portions that we are going to cover with so these are the description I've given in brief. So I go ahead and say next, and we should add the photo here. So what I do it, I just go ahead and add the photo. I just downloaded some photos from Google, not Google, my own website I have. So I just downloaded. Yeah, I have I downloaded, and you can still add some more photo. So I added some photos, then I said next, start next. So I'm almost done. I've given all the information that Google asked for. So my Google My Business is ready now. I just say continue. See, my Google My Business is ready. Blessing Best Digital Marketing, Social Media Marketing, Affiliate Marketing courses nearby. So here if you can see the home page, this are the, here you can click and create post and add photos, and you can make a create an ads. This is the postings, as it is a new brand, you cannot see any postings in regards to this, and the info regarding our office informations, where it is situated and what is the opening time, contact number, website details, and other stuff. Still I have to work it on regards to all these things. Coming classes I'll definitely explain you. Insights, again it is a new brand new account, there is no insight, and once you are start putting other things, you will get a review. Messaging services, yes, answer customer questions in Snap, that is activated. And product, we have to photos that we have added only few, and we should add more photos. And product list also we should add. Coming classes I'll definitely help you out in getting all these things. And you can still add a coaching center, other services also here, and website. Yeah, Google also is giving a website, free website. See, it's already filled every information regarding Blessing Best Digital Marketing, media marketing, social media marketing, affiliate marketing courses nearby. Every information is filled, and yeah, with email, with complete address and the opening timing, everything is done. So what I do is I just done. So if I can go back to business, see, this is under process, rest all is verified. So that's all for the for today's class. Next coming classes I would be giving more information in regards to Google My Business. Now that Google My Business name has been completely changed, it is called as Google Business Profile Manager. So upcoming classes we will be discussing more in regards to this. Thank you and have a great day. Do like my videos and subscribe my channel for more updates.